What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? So today we unboxing the SKECHERS collab with One Piece. You about to see what we working with. Ooh, look at the box, hold up. Don't play, nigga. Say this don't look like a board game, nigga. Say this box don't look like a board game. Get the hoe, gotta get the hoe. You see it. You see it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's disrespect if I don't show y'all the rapper. It's disrespect if I don't show y'all the rapper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. This is what we're working with. Yeah. 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 They kinda, yeah. They kinda clean. Oh shit, hold up. Oh, okay. Okay. Check out the tongue though. Okay. Okay. Come on out. Come on now. These not better than Raz. I'm hyping. Yeah. You guys gotta go. Everybody go cop these right now. Go ahead. Go ahead. Everybody go cop these right now. Yeah. Yeah.